This project, water quality, is one of the 4 subjects Avans students will participate in this year. For the coming 10 weeks, they will learn about relevant disciplines and ultimately come up with a solution for the client, followed by an exam session. Visitors of a vacation park have been hospitalized. On Blackboard, there is a list of several symptoms these patients have shown. We want you to figure out why these people got sick and how we can prevent this in the future. In this short film, we will demonstrate how the water quality project looks like at Avans Hogeschool.
So we have to divide the group in 3 subgroups for this project, including microbiology, in which you do research into microorganisms that can contaminate water. Chemistry, where you will look for chemical substances that also can contaminate the water. Modeling, in which you simulate a wastewater treatment system and calculate whether that's able to produce water that is allowed to discharge on surface water.
I like to do modeling.
I will do chemistry.
I prefer microbiology.
I would like to help you out with modeling.
I would like to join the microbiology group with Sven if that is possible.
And this is how the project begins. Each of the team members make a literature study, which they present in front of the group. Once everybody knows the theory behind the project, the experiments can begin. For chemistry, you'll do experiments to see if the water is polluted by certain chemicals, specifically zinc and lead. You will also determine the chemical oxygen demand, which indicates if oxygen depletion occurred. In the lab, you will make samples and you'll use spectroscopy to measure the absorption. With these statistics, it will be clear if the hospitalized park visitors were poisoned by high chemical concentrations. For microbiology, you'll do experiments to find out what kind of bacteria inhabit the water samples. You will make dilution series and your own agar plates. You will incubate these plates and analyze the microorganisms, while also making an estimation of how many colonies might actually be in the wastewater sample. For modeling, you will learn how to use ASIM, a program that allows you to simulate a wastewater treatment plant. The goal is to find out if the polluted water from the vacation park could be treated at a wastewater treatment plant more efficiently than an on-site alternative.
With 3 different water samples, one from the lake, the river and the tap water. We determined the amount of colonies that are present in these samples. And from the lake we found over 300,000 colonies, and we can conclude that there is a very harmful bacteria in it, that this could possibly be a Shigella.
Finding Shigella makes sense. A lot of the patients show symptoms that concur with Shigella ingestion. Nicely done.
So the results I found was the chemical oxygen demand is low enough, so also the phosphate amount is safe. The nitrate contained 1.3 times over the limit, and the lead is a factor 13 times over the limit.
Those high lead concentrations would certainly explain the symptoms of lead poisoning that we read about. Excellent work.
So we investigated through modeling with a program called ASIM if the limit value of 10 milligrams per liter could be obtained with a total amount of nitrate and ammonia. And the result is yes, we obtained, we kept below the limit value. Also, we noticed the relet filter is a bad choice because the capacity is too low for the amount of visitors. We could instead just transfer wastewater from the Park National to a wastewater treatment facility plant.
Indeed, the reedbed filter won't be sufficient for the entertainment park anymore. Better leave the work to the people that know what they're doing. Nice job!